Oh, wow. Morning, give me
Daddy.
breakfast. Oh,
We see some cakes.
better watch out, Kat. Better watch
Catriona.
out.
You're trying to compete to Catriona?
Yes.
You're trying to compete with the Miss Universe 2018? Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video.
First video 2019.
2019 video, guys. This is crazy. Can you believe it?
We survived.
We survived 2018 and now 2019 is here. Thank you guys for all the support. You guys have always been there. You guys didn't leave our side.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh my gosh. So we are back strong as ever. I think we're still tired. But it was a long break.
Yes, we're back with a lot of news, a lot of good things coming up for 2019.
Yeah. First of all, let's say Happy New Year to everyone.
Yes, Happy New Year.
Yes.
Where have you been? What have you done?
And let's not talk too much because as you can see by the title, it's a very exciting video. We are rating Catriona Gray's boyfriend Instagram. Ooh, what was that?
It's my excitement for 2019.
You're excited. Wow, you're excited.
It's my 2019
Right.
excitement.
Many requested this, so we are finally excited of doing this Instagram raid.
Yes, you know that every time we raid a guy's Instagram, I'm very excited about it.
Yeah.
Because I get to see some abs,
Let's
some
actually
chest.
Let's actually see how this boyfriend looks.
Yeah, I have no idea. He's lucky to have her.
Catriona Gray.
He's lucky to have her. Just like
They're
what I
both
always
lucky
tell
to
you.
each other. Did you put foundation on?
No, it's natural.
Bitch, like.
Look at my skin and how perfect it is.
So guys, this is very exciting like I said. So without further ado,
Let's get right into the video.
no, let's subscribe to this channel. Your New Year's resolution should be subscribing to this channel.
Please.
75% are not subscribed but still watching our video. Without further ado, I'm so excited to see him. His name is Clint Bondad.
Okay.
Bondad. Dad bod.
Huh?
Dad body.
Where is your brain going?
Oh my gosh, you're not a social media person at all.
Dead body, what does it even mean?
Oh my gosh, are you in social media? Do you do
Listen,
social media at all?
All this crap that you're saying, I don't know.
Anywho, so his name is Clint Bondad.
It doesn't
Also,
sound Filipino. Probably he's not.
I don't think he is. Maybe Australian because that's where she's from. Okay guys, so this is my Instagram. Follow it. Go ahead, follow it. Link in the description box. And let's go ahead.
I'm still 1,000 ahead of him.
Okay, and then should we clap for you?
No, you should just follow me instead.
Oh my god, he has a check mark. Oh my god, he's half German, he's half Filipino.
Wow.
He looks sexy
The
already.
best thing ever. German Filipino. Whoa.
The selfie caught my attention right away. How many followers does he have? 3,000.
300,000.
301,000.
And he follows one. Let's see if that one is Catriona.
It's probably Beyonce.
Let's see. Catriona.
Oh, that's a boyfriend of the year.
Aw.
You shouldn't follow everyone and just follow me. How about we do that for our Instagram? That'd be boring. If I check my Instagram feed, that'd
Exactly. It's so boring.
be boring. Anywho, so first one on the second line caught my attention right away. Selfie.
Yeah, because he has no neck. It's just muscle going up to his head.
Yeah, for real.
Like this.
So maybe he has a muscle body.
Hopefully he's showing some.
Maybe.
Let's see. He looks very
By the
tall.
way, during the Miss Universe, he was in the audience and I saw some of his footage from his iPhone filming the Miss Universe behind the scenes or whatever.
Wow.
And it was a great perspective. And you could hear him cheering for Catriona Gray. So he's the boyfriend of the year for real because he's cheering for Catriona Gray
That's so
and
cool.
for her to win.
So cute.
That's so adorable.
Okay, let's see. Family
Let's
picture.
go that's not a family picture.
Oh, isn't it? No.
I think that's a TV guesting.
Wow.
Oh my
He likes
gosh.
karaoke.
He has a beautiful smile.
Yeah, he does. Beautiful eyes too. Like a little bit Asian.
Yeah, he's half Filipino, he's half German. What do you expect? Is that him?
What?
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Oh, wow. Morning, give me breakfast. See, he posted this just for Catriona. Oh, look, I liked it.
Kayo liked it. How did you find his Instagram?
I don't know. Maybe through another Instagram page because
And
I don't follow him.
And you forgot that you liked it?
Yeah.
He's sexy.
Wow.
His jawline signifies that he is actually a very masculine guy. Maybe he's sweet too. Is that Catriona Gray?
I think so.
Is that her?
Oh, no, it's
that's
not
not her. Oh, that's him modeling. I thought, oh my god, I thought it was Jericho Rosales. Oh no, not Jericho Rosales. Kim Chu's ex-boyfriend, whatever his name is. And Anderson. Gerard Anderson. He looks like Gerard Anderson here.
No one knows him. It's fine.
You're not Filipino, that's why you don't.
Wow. Oh, I love that outfit.
So maybe he's a model. He looks
love-
like a model.
He does look like.
It's not who I am underneath, but what I do that defines me.
Wow. Okay.
Where'd you get that quote? Copy and paste.
He loves dogs.
I love his stubble. I love his beard a little.
Yeah.
What would
His
Papa do?
features are very beautiful.
I love his prominent jawline. What would Papa do to have you here right now?
Oh, he misses his dogs.
Ah.
Oh!
We see some cake.
Better watch out, cat. Better watch
Catriona.
out.
You're trying to compete to Catriona?
Yes.
You're trying to compete with the Miss Universe 2018?
Yes.
Fabio. As Miss Italy.
I don't consider failure.
If you were to be crowned as Miss Universe, if you were to steal the crown from Catriona Gray as the Miss Universe 2018, what would you do to fulfill your duties as a next Miss Universe?
I'll put the crown on that.
I don't blame you. Oh my god.
Oh my god, you need 2 crowns for that. One for each cheek. Oh my god.
On that ass. Merry Christmas, Philippines. Don't break the internet. Oh wow. Okay, he's trying to break
Oh,
the
that's
internet.
how you celebrate Merry Christmas.
He's trying to break the internet. Well, it's the Philippines. It's hot in there, so you don't wear onesies. You don't wear sweater here, like here.
Damn, what brand is that underwear?
Look at his back. He has like back abs.
He has like a highway on his back.
a height.
It's like a.
It's a valley.
It's a valley.
Is that him? Good God. Oh, I sound so British. Is that him? Oh, he loves Bible verses. So he
Wow.
Bible verses. Bible verses.
Boomerang.
Okay, we see that that's your jam boy. Okay.
He has very big lips too.
All I see
She's
is
lucky.
his jawline every time he does this. It's like his jawline is so like it's protruding and the rest is like behind him. It's like this.
That's true though. Actually,
Look at
it's
that
true.
jawline. I'm sorry, he really
Wow.
looks like Gerard Anderson. Oh my god, you can tell that he has a nice body. Look
Yeah.
at that shirt. Like he doesn't have a fat on the mid section.
Well, you're so precise in your terminology today. What?
It's the new year. New year, new me.
Wow.
Is that his brother? Who is your daddy? Okay.
Okay. Wow.
Is that his brother?
Oh my god.
Loudest people in the area right here. Oh, the Miss Universe thing. They were cheering. But both of them look so handsome.
Oh my goodness.
I think I like the one on the right better.
Oh,
That's his brother.
it's
Kirk.
his brother, right?
Yes, for the outfit. Yes, for the blazer boy.
Oh, girl.
Wait, I want to see Clint Bondad now. Is that his brother?
I think so. Maybe we'll do also his brother. I mean,
We'll do his brother. Yeah, we'll do his brother.
Wow, they're twins.
Oh,
I think they're twins.
I like the brother better.
They look the same.
They look exactly the same.
I think they're twins.
Oh, they went to Bangkok. So all this time when he was in Thailand, he wasn't with Catriona Gray because Catriona Gray was busy being Miss Universe. So I don't think he can be with her. Gerard Anderson.
Damn.
I'm sorry, I see Gerard Anderson.
He loves these nude colors. Like
Yep.
skin.
Yep.
Wow.
He got the V.
He's got the V.
He got the highway
the
to
whole
the
alphabet.
paradise.
Yes, not just the V. He has everything.
He got the highway to the paradise.
Let's see the brand of underwear. Jollibee. Oh my goodness.
Did he get? This is a Jollibee commercial.
Let's see.
Wait, was that him? That was him.
Ken?
We saw this commercial.
Ken.
Joy.
Ken.
Joy.
Ken.
Joy.
That was him. Remember this commercial? Look at
Wow.
those legs,
Look at it.
thighs.
Even the shadow is like.
Is that his dad? Oh, his grandpa.
Oh wow, he looks good with long hair.
I like him with beard.
Oh, wow, that's a lot of work. So much patience. You kidding me?
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Wait, what?
she's doing the cross sign.
Yeah, but did you see how it was drawn? So each line is different.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, Catriona looks so relatable
So
and
beautiful.
humble.
She is. She does look like that.
It's-
How to shave for freshness.
It's like a perfect 90-degree angle
Yeah.
jawline.
And because he shaved that way too.
Look at him at 18 years
Wow.
old and mean as I've ever been. By far stronger than I've ever been in my life. Sexy body. He has sexy arms.
Yeah, he looks great. I want to do his whole Instagram.
We can. I'm just scrolling. I'm just going through it. I don't even know the time
Wow,
anymore.
look at this picture.
They have a model shot. He does look like Gerard Anderson. This is crazy. Oh, that's a
God.
creative shot. That's so funny. He has a beautiful
Wow.
face. He has a handsome face. Oh, Catriona's dad, Gerard Anderson. I love that outfit, by the way.
Yeah, I love his colors. They're always like very light. Oh my
Catriona,
goodness.
though. Which one is the lucky one? I think they're both lucky. Let's say
Honestly,
they're
they're
both lucky.
can you imagine their kids?
Yeah.
Oh,
The next Miss Universe.
oh my god.
Catriona is mixed with Australian and Filipino, and he is mixed with German and Filipino. The kids are just gonna be like beyond beautiful. Gerard Anderson. Gerard Anderson.
Enough with this Gerard. Who the fuck is he?
He's Gerard Anderson. Comment below if you agree if it's Gerard Anderson. Oh my god, there's another shirtless pic.
I'm gonna follow him and message him.
A little bit too big for me, but his body looks good. His body looks good.
He's amazing.
I like him with long hair though.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, long hair for the win. Who's that?
Gerard
Oh, his
Anderson.
dad. That's his dad. Gerard Anderson. He likes taking
Wow.
pictures with a bag.
His back is very big. Like it's like.
He has the jawline or the chin of Superman. It's like very.
Oh, that's true.
It's very.
It's like long space here.
Yeah, it's very like that.
It's like probably down to here. If he wants to bend like this, he can't.
can't.
He can. He just stays straight.
See, I like him with beard
Yeah, he
and
looks
longer
good.
hair.
My goodness.
Oh, we saw this photo. Vacation. All right, Fabio, what do you think?
I love this Instagram.
Would you follow him? Would you date him?
I will just drop you in the garbage chute and take him. I will be like, take me to Jollibee. Let's enjoy life.
Ken Joy. He's handsome. He has a beautiful face and he has a nice body as well. Maybe a little bit too big for me, for my liking, but he's beautiful.
Wow.
He's beautiful.
Wow.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see y'all next time.
Bye, guys.
Go.